Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks again for joining us for this fun drawing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all those fun places. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. We've had a lot of requests for this next athlete, Chris Paul, currently playing for the Golden State Warriors. So we're going to draw Chris Paul today. Chris Paul played for Wake Forest University in college and was the 4th pick in the 2005 draft to the New Orleans Hornets. Then later played for the Clippers, the Houston Rockets, the Oklahoma City Thunder, the Phoenix Suns, and now the Golden State Warriors. Chris Paul is regarded as one of the best point guards of all time, won the NBA Rookie of the Year, NBA All-Star many times over, steals leader, assist leader, all the things. So this guy is amazing. So let's get drawing. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and let's get a dark marker. Find the pointed tip here, and we'll do a cartoon head of Chris Paul. So Chris Paul, let's do the jaw first. We'll go down, square off that jaw to the chin, go up, and straight up. Okay? Chris Paul has some ears that poke out, so we'll go a couple of big ears. One, it's okay to poke them out a little bit, make them a little bit bigger. When you're drawing cartoons, you kind of look for, or when you're drawing people, you look for their features on their faces or their bodies that kind of stand out and kind of exaggerate those a little bit. So we're gonna now draw the head. We're gonna go up, up. We're gonna connect that with a round kind of high to the middle and then down to connect. All right. A couple of eyes, we'll do oval number 1, oval number 2, circle on the inside, circle on the inside, small circle, small circle. Those are going to stay white. Those are the highlights of the eyes. We'll do an arch and an arch. And I like to quickly color my eyes in for you guys to see. We're going to color the eyes in with our dark marker here. Fill in the eyeball, cartoon style, leaving the highlights white. And we will fill in this bottom area on the eye with a blue. Quickly, I grab like a light baby blue color, and I like to fill this area in with a blue color just to add some life to the eye, add a little color to the eye, and I like to say it's the reflection of the stadium lights off of the player's eyes. So let's do a big arch for the eyebrow. He's got thicker eyebrows, so we're gonna make him a little bit bigger. So up, up, arch, and down. Arch and down. We're gonna color those in just to show you that Chris Paul has some fairly thick eyebrows. Let's do the hairline. He's got kind of this angle. We're going to angle in from the ear to the eyebrow and then up. He's not bald. We'll start here. We'll go arch and connect, and we're going to color this area in with our dark marker later. Bring the edge of this eye down to a point, edge of the eye down to a point, and that's going to be the edge of our nose. So we're going to go up, down, up. Okay, kind of a bird. And I'm going to color in these sides. I'm going to fill these in with our dark marker. The nostril. There's a side. There's a side. Okay. All right, now let's do the mouth here. Here's the center of the mouth right there. Up, down, and up. So he's kind of smiling a little bit. Connect that bottom of the lip right there. Draw the top of the lip, connects to the edge of the mouth. Okay. He's got like this little lip beard, so I'm gonna do a little triangle. He's got a chin beard. I'm gonna scribble these whiskers in on his chin right here. He's got some smile lines. And his mustache is going to connect. So Scribble lightly. It's kind of hard to connect because there's not a lot of space, but we're gonna scribble this little mustache that connects. And now we're gonna bring down some sideburns, and he's got kind of a bigger beard right there. Scribble that beard in. Okay. Kind of looking like Chris Paul. Let's do the neck here. He's got a wide neck. It's just his style. Come to a point. Come to a point. Goes down to a V. There's the edge of the jersey. Armpit. Armpit. Come down to the waist. Slant into the waist. Remember, these are cartoons. They're not perfect. We're just having a good time. Come bring these shorts down. Straight across to the middle. Up, down, cross, connect to the waist. Okay? Let's do these little legs, cartoon legs. Bump out, and connect. Bump out, bump out. Plus Chris Paul, I mean, he's a point guard. He's shorter, he's got shorter legs, maybe a little wider body. Let's do the shoes. Tongue of the shoe, tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces there. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces there, and bring the big shoe out to the edge of the page. Straight across to the heel and stop. Connect to the leg. Okay? Bring this heel down, same way. Straight across to the edge of the page. Big toe, kind of a clown shoe, and connect. All right, let's do a big basketball right here. Big circle. The best we can. They're kind of hard to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers. His shoulder bumps out, bumps into that basketball. Armpit bumps into the basketball. Now let's do shoulder over here. Bump, bump down to the elbow, bump, bump. Here's the forearm coming down to the wrist. Do his thumb, curve. Cool. Looking good, looking good. He always wears this long sleeve over here. All right, so we've got Chris Paul basically blocked in. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's get our blue Warriors colors. It's kind of different drawing Chris Paul for the Warriors. I'm used to seeing him on the Suns or the Clippers growing up. But let's see what we can do here. We're gonna get actually, there's your blue. Let's grab a yellow really quick, kind of this yellow. We'll do a yellow stripe. The Warriors have this thin yellow stripe around their jersey neck right here. So just do a small, thin yellow. And while we have our yellow, they do have a yellow stripe along the side that comes down the shorts and the side of the jersey. And you know what, while we have our yellow in our hand, let's do this. We'll do a stripe, curve down to the shoe, curve down to the shoe. This will all be yellow. Curve down, that'll be yellow too. We'll fill that in a minute. Quickly grab the blue. Leaving that, slowly draw, leaving that yellow stripe visible. Bring that down, straight across, curve up, and fill in those white lines with the blue. Looking good, looking good. Okay, blue stripe over here on the edge of the jersey. fill it in with your marker. Nice work, nice work. Blue stripe along the bottom of these shorts. Bump, bump. I'm gonna leave these areas white. Those are the shoelaces, cartoon shoelaces. And I'm actually gonna come back and fill in all this with our blue marker. All right, so we also have a blue circle right here and some blue on the shorts. So it curves down to the bottom, leave that yellow stripe. Okay, let's see if we can do the blue Golden State circle here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but do the best you can. There's the circle, and it's going to say, we can do two things. We can color this all blue, and then come in with our Prismacolor yellow pencil, Prismacolor pencil on top. Let's do that. Okay. If you want Prismacolors, look in the description of the video. Prismacolors are the top of the line coloring pencil. They blend really well, high quality. You can get those on Amazon. Look in the link of the description below. So here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna do orange basketball, flesh color, blue shoes. We'll fill in this logo. If you need time to look at the logo, press pause. And we are gonna fast forward now, and we thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Chris Paul, one of the best point guards of all time. Hey Kids Let's Draw, fast forward now.